What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in the kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Now, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Jack Daniels whiskey burger. Now, if you're a fan of TGI Fridays, you already know they got that Jack Daniels side of the menu that we all go to, especially me. I love their foods that have that Jack Daniels glaze. Man, I'm telling you, it is delicious. But I'm gonna show you how to make that whiskey burger in the comfort of your own home. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. So of course, we're gonna use some of that Jack Daniels. We have some pineapple juice, some light brown sugar. If you have dark brown sugar, that works also. Kosher salt, black pepper, some teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, a red onion, white onion, cayenne pepper, a lemon, some garlic, tomatoes. We got our ground beef here, our buns, our bacon, and I'm gonna use some Colby Jack cheese. Now you can use provolone or cheddar cheese, whatever you like to top your burger with, but I like this Colby Jack. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and continue. All right, so I've measured out our ingredients for our Jack Daniels glaze. So let me tell you guys what we have. So right here I have 2 cups of brown sugar. I have 1.5 cups of pineapple juice. Right here I have 1 cup of water. I have 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Right here I have 1/4 cup of Jack Daniels. I may add me a little bit more to it, but I'm gonna start out with 1/4 cup. I have 1/2 cup of teriyaki sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I have 4 garlic cloves minced, and I have 1/4 cup of minced white onions. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and prepare our glaze. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all those ingredients and we're just gonna dump into our pot here with the water. So I'm just gonna take our pineapple juice, add it, our minced onions, lime juice, teriyaki, cayenne pepper, our Jack Daniels, our minced garlic, our soy sauce, and lastly, we're gonna add our brown sugar. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to remove it from our cutting board and I'm going to put it on our cooktop and we're gonna get this thing to start cooking, all right? All right, so now we have it on our cooktop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn up our temperature. And what we wanna do is we wanna bring this to a boil and we're gonna get everything stirred up in here. And you wanna make sure you continue to stir this until it comes to a boil. I'm gonna taste mine a little bit once it comes to a boil to see if I got enough of that Jack Daniels in there. That's the star of the show, guys, not the burger, that Jack Daniels. All right, so now we're at a boil, so we're gonna immediately reduce our heat and we're gonna do this on a low simmer for about 45 minutes. Let this baby thicken up. Just let it sit there and simmer, let those ingredients get all married together, divorced, you know, go out on dates. You know how we do it when we like all those ingredients to mesh with each other. So we give it some time to do that. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 45 minutes on simmer and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we are 45 minutes in. As you can see, our glaze has reduced down. The alcohol has cooked off, but you're still gonna have that Jack Daniels flavor because that's what you want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off. And let me get a bowl and I'm gonna pour this over in a bowl and we're gonna set it aside until our burgers are done. All right, let's go ahead and get to these burgers. All right, so let's start preparing our ground beef. So what I have right here, I have about 1 pound of ground beef. I have 3/4 teaspoons of salt that I'm gonna add here to my ground beef and 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now you can season this however you want to season it. It's really totally up to you. But I'm gonna go with this 3/4 teaspoon of the pepper and the salt. Just get it all mixed in here like that. All right, I think we're there. All right, so let's go ahead and start forming our patties. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 2 burgers. I've made them into 4-ounce balls. Now, you can cook them as, you know, small or big as you like, but I want mine in 4 ounces just because the type of burger we're doing. I want a little bit more of that flavor into my burger, a little bit more thickness in it, because that's pretty much is going to be the highlight of this particular burger here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my burger presser to make my burger. So I'm just gonna stick that in there like that. Now, if you don't have that, of course, you can use your hands. And I'm just gonna press down on it like that. And what I like about these burger presses is that you definitely get that even burger look, which I like. See, this is what we have. All right, so I'm gonna sit that right there. And we're gonna do the same with the next one. All right, so this is what we have. So now it's time to get these babies over in a skillet or out on the grill, whichever one you prefer. You could even put it in the air fryer, however you want to do it. But we're gonna do it on our cooktop in a cast iron skillet. All right, let's go. All right, so now it's time to start cooking our patties. So right here, I got my skillet here. Get that fire up to temperature. I'm just gonna pour a little of this vegetable oil in here. So we're gonna bring this up to temperature real quick. All right, guys, so it looks like we are there. So we're gonna start dropping our meat patties in here. And guys, you can cook these to your preferred doneness. So if you like a medium rare, medium well done, it's totally up to you. And what I'm gonna do too, guys, I have some steak seasoning here. I'm just gonna drop it here on top of my meat, just for some additional flavor. You don't have to do that since you already seasoned it with the salt and pepper. But me personally, I want to add a little bit more of that to my meat. All right, guys, I'm gonna flip this over. Same with this one. Flip it over. Add a little bit that's seasoning on this side too. Guys, I like to continue to flip mine over as I'm cooking, especially when I have it, you know, I'm on this cooktop, because I don't like it to brown too quickly on one side or one end. And typically that's what the cooktop does. It browns it on one side because most of the heat is here in the center. That's why I kind of put it on the outer edges. Now we're starting to look good. See that, guys? That's starting to look excellent. Got that same color on all around the burger. Man, that's looking good right there. All right, guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our Jack Daniels sauce, and we're just gonna start brushing our burger with this Jack Daniels sauce. We're gonna let that cook into it like that, and then we're gonna flip that baby over and do the same thing on the other side. All right, so we're gonna turn this over, and now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna start basting these babies on this side also. And give it about another minute like that, and then we're gonna pull them off. All right, so it looks like we're there. I'm about to pull these off, and I'm gonna put them over here on our cutting board, and we're gonna start building our burger. All right, let's go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we got our buns here. So we wanna get our buns here with some of that Jack Daniels sauce right here at the bottom. We're gonna come behind that, some of those pickles. Now guys, I've added the cheese onto our burger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull our burger off. The cheese is already added. I added that cheese on there. And we're gonna drop that baby here, just like that. And we're gonna hit it with that bacon right here. Next, we're gonna come over here with our onions, right behind it with our onions. And I love to have onions on my burger. Then we're gonna hit it right over here with that tomato, like that. So now we're gonna come over the top of it with some lettuce, nice little piece of lettuce. And then we're gonna top it off with our bun. Guys, take a look at that. Bam. Take a look at that burger. And there you have it, guys. Jack Daniels Whiskey Burger. Guys, take a look at this burger, man. Man, look at this. Man, this burger looks delicious. Man, you got that Jack Daniels sauce. You got your pickles, your meat, that Colby Jack, your bacon, lettuce, onions, tomatoes. Guys, the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below, so go ahead and check that out. In case you don't have all these items at home, click those Amazon links that'll take you straight to Amazon to purchase these products. And thank you for supporting the ebook. Let's go ahead and get into quality control. I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are back for quality control. You already know this is the best part of the video, and I can't wait to try this burger out. I'm gonna see if I can lift this baby up there. I got me a knife sitting up in this thing. Let me take my knife out. Guys, take a look at that. Ooh, man, take a look at that burger right there. Ooh. Man, this is something special, guys. You know what? I'm not gonna even cut it. I'm just fixing to go all commando in this thing. Y'all ready? All right, let's go. Man, I'm in hamburger heaven. That Jack Daniels sauce is just amazing. That's the only reason I used to like to go to TGI Fridays. I always got anything that had Jack Daniels, whether it was the chicken, the burgers, the shrimp. I think they had ribs and pork chops. I know they had pork chops. Anything they had in Jack Daniels, I used to go just to get that because I just love that Jack Daniels flavor. Man, this is delicious. So guys, I'm gonna get out of here because I need to finish this burger. And it is so good. Y'all need to try this one. So get that ebook. Guys, join my channel membership. If you want to support the channel, that's the way you can do it. You can also do it by getting that merch, getting the ebook, but that membership, get your membership. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. Oh, and shout out to everybody who already joined my membership. I really appreciate that. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.